Hey guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Windows error when you're installing Windows 7 or Windows 8 or even Windows 10. So you get this error, this GPT error, something like that, and it's annoying. So I'm gonna show you now how to fix it. The fix is really easy and simple. So let me just show you like the error you're gonna get first. So I'm just trying to install Windows 10. I'm going through from the beginning. Okay, so I'm gonna just accept. I'm gonna click next. So now I'm gonna install Windows 10 on my disk drive. And you can see that I cannot click next, or I cannot even install Windows on any of my drives. So it's gonna give you this error that Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table and blah 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 blah. Just keep it this far. So the fix is that you have to close it. Just close everything. Now just tap on Shift and F10. It's gonna bring up this window and wait. And now we're gonna type these things. Like I'm gonna give you everything on the description, so please read that. And first of all, you gotta type this part, and then then press enter. Now you're inside this part. Now you have to now you have to type list. You're gonna see your disk informations. Oh, what did it say? Oh, sorry, I have to say right list disk. Okay, now you're gonna select disk 0. It's your main hard drive. So I'm gonna select, just type select disk 0 and press enter. Like for my case, it's disk 0, my hard drive. In your case, it might be different. So select the disk which is your main hard drive. Okay, now it's selected. Now you're gonna type clean. So before you write clean and press enter, I want to tell you that it's going to delete everything from your hard drive. So okay, so just let me press enter. Now it's cleaning my disk, and it has done completely. So now just type exit, and it's gonna get closed. Now just close out of it. Now just click on install. Again, just accept the terms and click next. And now you can see that you can select your disk. You have other options like this one. Now you have to make a new hard drive. Just click apply. If you want to make 2 partitions, then you can also do that, but for my case I'm gonna select 1. I'll do that later. So it's gonna work now. See, now you can install Windows. Just tap here next. Okay, now it's copying files and installing Windows. So this is how you fix that. Thank you for watching.